Okay, it's a pigeon. I mean, an eagle eating a pigeon. That is so nasty.
Ew.
But
a circle of life, I suppose.
yeah, exactly.
Is it kind of bloody looking?
Yeah, I think it bit off its head or something.
Gross.
You don't see that every day, especially in
New York,
especially in Astoria. Crazy. Damn.
So gross. Okay, I can't look at it for much longer.
Okay. I can't tear my eyes away from them. Oh, look at it. What kind of eagle do you think it is? Or hawk?
It's a hawk. It's definitely a hawk.
What kind of hawk?
Ew. Okay, I might have to take a picture. Oh, the feathers. He's just like, all the feathers are flying off. And he's like,
yeah.
Oh, God. That's nasty. I know what's going to be.
Oh, my camera's so shaky.
Oh, the feathers are flying down. Look at the feathers flying down.
Yeah, I know, right?
Oh, the feathers are blowing in the wind.
Damn. Okay, that's enough.